What's up, guys? Here with Carson.
Hey.
Don't have much truck stuff to film today. Luckily, both our trucks are working at the moment, so I guess that's not a bad thing. So we thought we'd start filming just some of the random things we do every day, because some of them might be kind of interesting to show on camera. So today, since we don't have any truck things to do, we got Carson's pit bike. Carson,
What's up?
Talk about the Pity, bro. It's a legend.
It's a little Chinese 125. It's got it for like 200 bucks. It's pretty beat up, but it runs really good. Pretty fun, pretty janky. It's got the back shock. There's no back shock. It's just a.
Yeah, check this out.
This little tube.
It's king though, right?
It's a king shock.
Oh yeah.
So going off curb doesn't feel good, but it does wheelie pretty good with it. You know, I got the bald tire.
Oh yeah.
Pretty flat too. I don't know if it has a hole in it.
Well, the front tire's completely flat.
Yeah, the
right?
front tire is completely flat. It has no.
That one stays flat, but for some reason that works. So, I mean, we haven't touched it in a while.
It's usually in the air. Front caliper's got a couple zip ties on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Had to
Quality zip ties though, right?
Yeah, quality zip ties. Custom mount.
Custom mount.
Pretty much. Everything's all zip tied up. Wires a little everywhere.
You can only fill this up halfway, right?
Oh yeah, the reservoir. This thing leaks a little bit. You gotta add it up every once in a while. But runs so good. Pretty fun.
Oh yeah. Super fun.
Wheelies, burnouts, whatever you want.
Yeah. So today we're gonna film, try to film some wheelies, right, with this cool angle.
Yeah, we're gonna see how this looks.
This thing could be cool.
Yeah, with the GoPro.
Be pretty sick. Alright, so there's like a big hill in his neighborhood, so we're gonna ride over there because you can really get those wheelies going up that hill. It's pretty fun. So yeah, be sure to film it. Anything else, Carson? Anything else about the bike?
No, that's pretty much it.
Not enough storage?
You do like a self-timer photo?
Pretty good.
It's so wobbly.
The camera?
Yeah. I'll take another picture.
Got the Bronco and the Taco.
Alright, well now Max is giving the selfie stick test.
I think I got that one pretty good.
Yeah?
I was like waiting for it to come down.
My SD card has no video storage, so just taking some self-timer photos.
That'd be some big Alright guys, big moment in this channel's history.
Yep.
Carson, tell us what you're about to do.
About to buy a 4-link kit with coilovers and bypasses.
Oh my gosh, for the Tacoma.
And also got the new welder here.
Yeah, new welder.
The tank, everything, back half.
So tell me what that welder does.
Yeah, it does MIG and TIG.
Heck yeah. That's what's up. So you're gonna back half it?
Yep, back half, 4-link. Gonna build a new front kit.
Yes, sir. Yes,
big
sir.
Big things coming. Big things coming.
Big things coming.
Right,
then
here's the start.
All right.
I'll text him out.
He's making the offer. They're 48-inch links, right?
48-inch links, yeah, like a triangulated 4-link with the rear end and everything.
Heck yeah. There it is. Sending the text. Hey, bro.
Told him I'll take it. 900 bucks.
900 bucks.
Pretty good deal.
Taking the 4-link kit.
Comes with all the links, bypass, coilover, and the rear ends. So
That's pretty good.
pretty good deal. Just gonna slay some whoops pretty soon.
Oh yeah.
And some, maybe I'll make some 3-wheel videos now.
Yes, sir. I want to see it. All right, let's
Okay.
make some 1-wheel videos today.
Yeah.
Ha. Pretty good. All right.
Pretty good. Yeah, you wanna try?
Yeah, I want to try. Alright, Carson's trying to knee knock her. Ooh.
Feels so weird.
Yeah?
I need to practice that.
Yeah.
I have like no control like that.
Yeah.
Curve got in the way.
Curve got in the way?
You wanna try knee knocker?
Yeah, I'll try one.
That was not bad.
Huh?
That's not bad.
That felt pretty good.
Yeah.
You gotta get it higher than you think.
Yeah.
What's up, picking up here? What's up, Jackson?
What's up?
What's up, Carson?
Yeah.
Hey, what are we doing?
4x4 Wendys challenge.
No,
Alright.
4 for 4.
Oh, 4 for 4.
What an idiot!
Alright, restart that.
Am I right?
Restart,
Oh
restart,
my
restart,
gosh.
restart.
Alright, Carson, what are we doing, bro?
The Wendys 4 for 4 challenge. See how fast you can eat the 4 for 4.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's
Get
see.
it. Let's get it.
Jackson thinks he can do it pretty quick, so we're gonna test him today. And we're just gonna add this into the pit bike video because we want to film more of just what we do every day, like I said already. So,
Vlogs.
some vlogs, some real
Good
vlogs. So,
vlogs.
yeah, because I feel like we do some pretty interesting stuff sometimes. So yeah. All right.
4 for 5.
What sandwich did you want?
Do you have the double stack still?
No, we don't do the double stack on those.
They really
Thought-
changed up the whole menu.
Thoughts on that, Carson?
They don't have the 4 for 4 and they don't have the double stack. That's ridiculous.
Oh my gosh! Look at these guys out here.
Then we'll do the
Stupid
junior
Wendy's.
bacon cheeseburger.
Tell them we're going Chick-fil-A.
Okay. Is it one four for five?
What was that,
in the
Carson?
first order, yeah, with just meat.
We're going to Chick-fil-A
What's
instead.
Okay, say screw Wendy's.
Lemonade.
Wendy's.
Yeah, I got it.
We weren't lying. Wendy's slipping up. Now where are we at, Carson?
Chick-fil-A.
Yes, sir. Alright, Jackson's laying out the food. Getting ready for this challenge. What do you think about it, Jackson? You think you could do it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could do this shit.
How about you, Carson? You gonna do it or what?
I kind of just want to. I'm kind of hungry. I just want to enjoy it.
Ah, come on, bro. I'll buy you food after.
Yeah, come on.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. Alright, so should we do it at the same time or should we drop it in the comments?
Kind of weird on the camera. I was like,
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll just time it.
Yeah, well, he's not gonna put the whole thing in. He's just gonna put like a.
Clips, bro.
Yeah. Ice does not count.
Ice does not count. Carson's leaving his straw and taking it off.
no, babe.
It's up to you. Okay, hold on. Let me figure out how I'm doing this first.
Alright, alright.
I'm going bird first.
That's what I was thinking too. I think I could do burger.
It's so small.
Okay, make sure you have the timer. Alright. Where should we have the timer? Is right here okay? Can you see it? Or you,
I don't really care what the time is.
Yeah, I got whoever's done. When you're done, you have to slap
Come on,
the.
Dad.
When you're done, you have to slap the thing. Oh, Jackson's squishing his. He's getting ready for it. Oh.
I just want to say, bro, whatever happens, we're still homies, right?
Of course.
Alright.
I honestly have no idea how fast.
I've never actually
fast.
tried.
Yeah.
I feel like 150 is realistic.
Think so?
150 is
I'm
2
probably
minutes.
able to. I don't know.
Alright.
3.
We can't find the back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hands me on the back. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
No way.
Same time. 3:14. I want to focus. I might have to add a second because I think I missed the start button, so you're at 3:15.
3:15.
How the fuck that fool do in a minute 27?
I mean, that's honestly, that was pretty good.
Oh my god.
That wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't. I think the hardest
Your
part
hands are
was,
greasy.
I know. The hardest part was honestly, bro, swallowing.
Yeah.
Like it was so dry.
Yeah.
I
Dude,
want-
the drink helped so much though.
Yeah, I know.
Like I chewed at first I was going burger and I was like, man, I'll take a little sip, and then like disintegrated it so fast. I'm like, oh.
Yeah,
That's the key.
Yeah. I had the fries in my mouth and I was like,
Even though it makes it all
yo.
like nasty
Yeah.
and stuff, but it like
It makes it all
so much,
soupy,
You can
bro.
just like swallow it.
It makes it soupy.
Now my bonus chicken.
Oh yeah. What are your initial thoughts on that little challenge there?
Pretty good.
good.
Camera's about to die.
That,
So.
I thought I was gonna do way better than that, but you know what I mean, for the
First food challenge.
pretty nice.
Gang.
Matt Stoney, you're next.
Oh.